Henry.
Oh, wait, I've got some white face paint in my bag. Do you want it? What's that?
And Henry.
Do you want some white face paint?
And Henry.
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 Get in with Henry.
Actually.
Booyah. Get in with Henry.
Give me a shoe.
Oh, no, it's down the motorway. Give me it. It's going to freeze or microwave, your choice.
Freeze or microwave?
Wait, freezer in the microwave.
Yep.
Yeah? The coldness, yeah?
Yep, the coldness that is.
Henry or
In the
Henry or
microwave.
Harold?
In the microwave.
Obviously.
In the freezer.
What's that, Pat?
That is the motherfucking hairdryer.
Booyah.
If I had the energy, I would turn it on and dry my hair. But I haven't got any wet hair, so the motherfucking thing's staying off. Right,
Right.
camera off now. Bye.